stop. If you're thinking about buying VidShopr AI, there's something you need to know first. Because this tool can either make you money, or you'll completely miss the real opportunity like 99% of people. And the truth is, most affiliates are doing one simple mistake that kills their income. Before I expose that, if you decide to get VidShopr AI, make sure you use my link in the description because I'm giving away 5 powerful bonuses worth $500 plus. These bonuses are specifically designed to help you turn this tool into actual income, not just another software sitting idle. What is VidShopr AI? VidShopr AI is the world's first AI-powered shoppable video platform that lets you turn any YouTube video into a live storefront. Meaning, viewers can click and buy products directly inside the video and you earn commissions automatically. No content creation, no filming, no tech skills, and no monthly fees. Benefits: why people are interested. Here's why this is blowing up right now. Most people put affiliate links in descriptions, but less than 1% of viewers ever click them. That's where 99% of money is lost. But VidShopr fixes this by putting the buy button inside the video, capturing attention at the exact buying moment, 8 to 10 seconds window, and increasing center by 3x to 5x or more. That's why users are reporting $340 in week 1, 14% plus center, and $1,000 plus per month with same traffic. Same videos, same audience, just better monetization. Inside VidShopr AI, you get drag and drop tag builder, add product, text, CTA inside video, works with YouTube, Shorts and even MP4 videos, supports any affiliate network, Amazon, ClickBank, etc. Real-time analytics, track clicks and conversions. One-click embed code, works on any website, commercial license, charge clients $300 to $500 per setup. And the best part? You can launch your first campaign in under 10 minutes. Honest pros and cons. Let's keep it real. Pros: beginner-friendly, no content creation needed, huge conversion improvement potential, one-time price, no monthly fees, and works with existing videos. Cons: requires basic understanding of affiliate marketing, you still need traffic source, YouTube, blog, etc. Results depend on niche and offer. But honestly, for $14, this is extremely low risk. Results: what to expect. If you do it right, you can increase center from 1% to 10% plus, generate passive commissions, and build multiple campaigns that run 24/7. But remember, this is not a magic button, it's a leverage tool. If you combine this with traffic, this becomes very powerful. Now let's talk about my bonuses. If you grab VidShopr AI through my link, you'll get bonus 1 to 5 DFY shoppable campaign templates. Value: $197. Ready-made campaigns. Just plug in your link and start earning. Bonus 2. AI Viral Shorts Machine. Value: $97. Turn any video into viral shorts for massive traffic. Bonus 3 to 1-click affiliate store builder. Value: $97. Launch your own affiliate store in minutes. Bonus 4. DFY Shoppable Video Funnel Kit. Value: $97. Complete done-for-you funnel to start selling instantly. Bonus 5. Multi-language video translator. Value: $97. Expand globally and multiply your sales. Total bonus value: $500 plus yours free with purchase through my link. So, is VidShopr AI worth it? If you're struggling with conversions, if your links are not getting clicks, or if you want a smarter way to monetize videos, then yes, this is absolutely worth trying. Especially at a $14 one-time price with a 30-day guarantee. But remember, this is a launch offer, and the price will increase soon. So if you want to lock this in, click the link in the description, grab VidShopr AI and claim all my bonuses before they expire. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.